In this video you are going to see the Mac PC which you can build in just 5,000 rupees. This is built using Raspberry Pi 4B and Twister OS. Let's have a quick tour of the OS before we start the tutorial. This is not Mac OS actually. It is iOS theme iTwister applied on Twister OS. It has got almost everything present in the Mac OS. Now you can see that this OS is running on Raspberry Pi 4. In order to make your Raspberry Pi Mac PC you will require Raspberry Pi 4 single board computer. I recommend you 4GB variant which you will get under 5,000 rupees in India. You can go with 8GB variant too if want better performance. Watch this tutorial to install Twister OS on your Raspberry Pi. The link of the video is in I button and in video description. After you install and boot the Twister OS in your Raspberry Pi 4 you will get default Twister OS theme which you are seeing currently. Click to open the Theme Twister app to apply the Mac OS theme. You will found here default Twister OS theme, Windows themes, and Mac OS themes. There are two Mac OS theme available here both in dark and light variant. You can install any one of these as shown here. After you click the desired theme it will be applied. In order to see the full change you need to press enter. After pressing the enter key you will be logged out and you will see Mac OS like login screen. You will need the password now to log in your OS. The default username and password is Pi and Raspberry. It is recommended to change it. Now you can experience your Mac PC. If you like this video, click like and tell us in comment section. Also consider subscribing the channel if not already done. Thanks for watching.